In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Notebook, a versatile tool to organize your thoughts, ideas, and tasks in one convenient place. Let's get started by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the Zoho Notebook website. Once you're there, you'll see an inviting button labeled Access Zoho Notebook. Go ahead and click on it. This action will take you to the main interface where you can start creating notes right away. Now that you're in, you might be wondering where to begin. Simply focus on the option that says Start jotting down your ideas, which encourages you to unleash your creativity and thoughts. This entry point is where you'll start creating your first note. Next, you'll want to click on the option labeled Write. This feature allows you to create text notes effortlessly. You can jot down anything from meeting agendas to creative ideas or even a casual reminder. The simplicity of this option makes it a powerful tool for quickly capturing your thoughts in words. Following that, direct your attention to the Capture option. This handy feature is perfect for saving snippets from the web or screenshots directly into your notebook. It's an efficient way to gather all the information you find online and have it all in one place for easy access later on. Then, move on to the To Do option. Clicking here lets you create checklists and manage tasks, helping you stay organized and on track with your daily to-dos. Whether it's a grocery list or project tasks, having a checklist can help ensure nothing falls through the cracks. If you've got materials or files associated with your notes, you'll want to make use of the Attach feature, here you can attach files to your notes, such as PDFs, images, and documents. It's a great way to keep all related materials together with your notes. Feeling artistic? Click on Draw to create visual notes or sketches. This feature provides a space for freehand drawing, making it an excellent option for visual thinkers or those who prefer illustrating their ideas. For those moments when you'd prefer to speak rather than type, hit the audio button to record voice notes. This is particularly useful for recording lectures or meetings. You can effortlessly capture spoken information and listen back to it later. Finally, the video option allows you to add video content to your notes. This is a fantastic way to incorporate video clips, making your notes more dynamic and engaging. Whether it's a video message or a relevant clip from a meeting, adding such media can enhance the richness of your notes. These features collectively make Zoho Notebook a powerful application for organizing your life and thoughts. Feel free to explore each of these options as you integrate Zoho Notebook into your daily workflow. Thanks for joining today, and happy note-taking!